Okay. So, get out the camera. My name is Cindy Lou. I'm from the farm. Anyways, we're trying to get the picture. We're trying out for Sonya. You think you can dance? This my friend. Introduce you.
Well, my name's Lucy Potts, and we're gonna try out for Sonya Think You Can Dance. And this isn't actually like the tryout. This is just like the practice. So
That's right.
Yeah, but here's Cindy Lou.
Guys, we're going in 10 minutes.
We're leaving in 10 minutes, so we gotta hurry. So this is my dance. It's called DDR. You know how I spell that? DDR. Okay. Time to go. Strap yourself in. Oh no, time to dance. Combo. It's a triple combo. I'm going crazy. I can't stop. It's your turn.
Alright, now it's my turn. Alright, I'm doing like a lyrical and other things, so. Now a little bit of pom-pom. Pom-pom.
Wait, what's this style called?
Oh, it's called Pom-Pom Deluxe.
Go! That's right. Go on.